Hello students, today we discuss chemical properties of alkyl halides. First we see introductory part, then classification of haloalkanes, then we see nomenclature, then after we see preparation of alkyl halides, then after we discuss about physical properties of alkyl halides and haloalkanes. Then next point of haloalkane, important point of haloalkane is chemical properties of haloalkanes. Chemical properties or the chemical reactions of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes takes part in three types of reactions, in which first type is nucleophilic substitution reactions. Second types of reaction in which alkyl halide takes part. These reactions are elimination reactions. Third type is reaction with metals. Now first we discuss about nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Okay, now see, first reaction is hydrolysis reaction. First reaction is hydrolysis reaction. What is hydrolysis? Since when alkyl halide boiled with aqueous alkali, when alkyl halides boiled with aqueous alkalis, then they form alcohol. That is, here replacement of this halogen takes place by this OH group. That is, this X is replaced by OH group. We know that here in case of KOH there are two ions, K plus and OH minus ion. This OH minus ion replaces this halogen ion or this halogen group to give alcohol product, and side product we get here KX. Okay, if we take here primary alkyl halide, then we get primary alcohol. If here we take secondary alkyl halide, then we get secondary alcohol, and if here we take tertiary alkyl halide, then we get tertiary alcohol. Okay, second reaction, second nucleophilic substitution reaction is reaction with moist silver oxide. Reaction with moist silver oxide, that is Ag2O. And what is moist silver oxide? It is a mixture of this Ag2O and water. Mixture of silver oxide and water. That is, when this silver oxide mixes with water, we get silver hydroxide solution. Hence, when alkyl halide treated with AgOH, then again here hydrolysis reaction takes place to give alcohol product, same as first reaction. In case of first reaction it is direct hydrolysis. In case of second reaction, here also hydrolysis reaction takes place. This OH minus group replaces halogen to give alcohol, and side product here we get AgX, that is silver halide. Okay, third substitution reaction is reaction with potassium cyanide. Here we take alcoholic potassium cyanide. Alcoholic potassium cyanide. That is, when alkyl halide boiled with alcoholic potassium cyanide, then here again substitution reaction takes place. This cyano group, Cn minus group, attacks on this alkyl group, and halogen is replaced to give alkyl cyanide product. Alkyl cyanide product, and side product we get this K plus and X minus. Here we get KX. Okay, product nature is depend upon alkyl halide nature. If alkyl halide is primary, then we get primary alkyl cyanide. If secondary alkyl halide here we take, then we get secondary alkyl cyanide. If here we take tertiary alkyl halide, then we get tertiary alkyl cyanide or alkene nitrile. Okay, because we know that in common nomenclature we call this compound as alkyl cyanide, and in IUPAC nomenclature we name this compound as alkane nitrile. If here only one carbon atom is present instead of R group CH3CN, then we name is then we give name is at methanitrile or methyl cyanide. Okay. Fourth nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halide is reaction with AgCN. Since in third reaction we react this alkyl cyanide with KCN, here we react alkyl cyanide with AgCN, silver cyanide. In case of third reaction, here we use alcoholic KCN, here we use only normal silver cyanide molecule. Okay, when alkyl halide treated with silver cyanide, here also substitution takes place, but the attack of this cyanide nucleophile takes place from nitrogen atom. Hence here we get alkyl isocyanide product. We get alkyl isocyanide product and side product is AgX. Okay, we know that this cyanide group is ambidentate nucleophile, that is in some cases attack takes place from carbon side or in some cases attack takes place from nitrogen. Okay, it is called as ambidentate nucleophile because it has two attacking centers, one is carbon and another is nitrogen. So when attack takes place from carbon, we get cyanide product. When attack takes place from nitrogen, we get isocyanide product. Okay. Fifth important reaction is when alkyl halides treated with alcoholic ammonia. Alcoholic ammonia means some drops of alcohol are added in ammonia solution to increase its nucleophilicity. Okay. Since when alkyl halide boiled with alcoholic ammonia, you know that ammonia has formula NH3. This halogen atom is replaced by NH2 group or NH2. That is what happened here. This halogen is replaced by hydrogen atom in ammonia. Okay, and we get this primary amine product. Okay. Again, if we take alkyl halide in excess, if here we take alkyl halide in excess, then this halogen of alkyl halide is again replaced by one more hydrogen of this primary amine to give secondary amine as a product. Here we get secondary amine again and side product HX. In both cases side product is HX, that is hydrogen halide. Again, if alkyl halide is remain, then here also substitution takes place. This halogen is replaced by hydrogen and we get tertiary amine and hydrogen halide side product. Again further substitution takes place. Here there are no hydrogen atoms on this amine, therefore this lone pair attack on directly alkyl group and we get tetra alkyl ammonium halide salt. Here we give positive charge on nitrogen because we know that if lone pair on nitrogen is used for making fourth bond, then formation of this ammonium salt takes place. The name of this salt is tetra alkyl ammonium halide. These are amino salt or tetra alkyl ammonium salt. Okay, now we discuss sixth nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halide. This reaction is Williamson's ether synthesis, that is when alkyl halides treated with sodium alkoxides, when alkyl halides treated with sodium alkoxide, then formation of ether takes place. Hence this reaction is called as Williamson ether synthesis. Okay, that is since when alcohol heated with sodium metal, it gives sodium alkoxide RONA, O minus Na plus. Okay, to balance this reaction, here we take two alcohol molecules and two sodium atoms. Elimination of hydrogen gas takes place. These two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two sodium atoms and we get sodium alkoxide. that is metal salt of alcohol. Okay, this sodium alkoxide is sodium salt of alcohol. When this sodium salt of alcohol treated with alkyl halide, we know that alkyl halide has formula Rx. This halogen atom of alkyl halide is replaced by this alkoxy group to give ether, ROR. If here we take both alkyl groups are same, if here in case of alcohol and alkoxide number of carbon atoms are same, then we get symmetrical ether, and if here these R groups are different, then we get unsymmetrical ether. Okay, this is sixth nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halide. It is a very important reaction. If question is asked for preparation of ether by using alkyl halide, then we know preparation of ether by using alkyl halide using this Williamson's ether synthesis. Important reaction. Okay, seventh preparation or seventh reaction of alkyl halides, we see here reaction with potassium nitrate. Okay, what is potassium nitrate? KON double bond O. It is called as potassium nitrate. Okay, potassium nitrate. When we treat alkyl halide with potassium nitrate, then here formation of alkyl nitrate takes place. Alkyl nitrate means it has formula RON double bond O. RON double bond O. I write down again, RON double bond O. It is called as alkyl nitrate. Okay, and eighth reaction is reaction with AgNO2. AgNO2, that is silver nitrate. When we treat alkyl halide with silver nitrate, AgNO2, then formation of nitroalkane takes place. That is, here attack takes place from nitrogen. In case of KNO2, attack takes place from this oxygen. Okay, if attack takes place from oxygen, then we get alkyl nitrate, and if attack takes place from this nitrogen, then we get nitroalkane. Here also nitro group is also ambidentate. Okay, hence attack takes place from both atoms, either from oxygen or either from nitrogen. Okay, now ninth reaction is also very important reaction, formation of esters when alkyl halides treated with silver salts of carboxylic acid. That is reaction with silver salt of carboxylic acids. Since when alkyl halide treated with silver salt of carboxylic acid, we know that carboxylic acid has formula RCOOH. Okay, when this carboxylic acid treated with silver metal, then formation of this silver salt takes place to give this salt, silver salt of carboxylic acid. Here hydrogen atom of carboxylic acid is replaced by silver metal, and we get this salt, silver salts of carboxylic acid. When this silver salts of carboxylic acid treated with alkyl halide, then this halogen atom is replaced by this carboxylic group, and we get ester R. This AgX is removed, and we get ROC double bond OR. If both R groups are same, then we get this type of ester. If both R groups are different, then we get this ester. Okay, these are total 9 substitution reactions of alkyl halide, 9 nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halide. In next lecture, we discuss about elimination reaction and reaction with metal. Okay, these are total 9 nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halide. In next lecture we discuss about reaction with metal and elimination reaction of alkyl halides. Okay, thank you.